Well, for part 3, we're looking primarily at a case study of the UK cooperative movement. We'll be looking at it from 2 perspectives, one my own, an article that I've published in the Journal of Business Ethics, and one by a friend and colleague of mine, Johnston Birchall, who perhaps takes a slightly different perspective than to my own, but another very a respected academic, and one that's been published very widely in the movement, and I'm sure some of you will have heard of Johnston. What we'll be looking at is what happened to the cooperative group. What were the flaws in leadership? What were the mistakes made? And how did this one particular CEO, Terry Thomas, turn things around in a particular area, the Cooperative Bank? Because the British Cooperative Bank, which everybody knows has now failed and collapsed and is no longer a cooperative bank, but during his CEOship he turned it from a loss-making business to one of the most profitable sectors of the whole cooperative group. And he made the cooperative bank the best and most positive brand image at the national level the cooperative movement had in the post-war period in the UK. Why was the strategy and the philosophy that he applied not applied more widely in the co-op movement? Why was it actually dropped bit by bit by his successors? And what caused the collapse of the bank, and with it a very large chunk of the rest of the cooperative group? And really the failure, the one that led to one of the biggest failures that the cooperative movement has experienced historically and globally. What caused those failures? Where were the failures in leadership? And because we need to identify that, because big co-ops have tremendous potential, but they're also tremendously vulnerable to managerialism, to elitism, to bureaucratic failures. And that's what we've really got to guard against and what we've really got to explore. And this last module takes that critical look and says, okay, where are the lessons that we all need to learn to make sure these sorts of mistakes don't get made again? And then you write up, and then we say goodbye, and good luck to you. Thank you.